is slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no.
Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Now this is a total different scenery, but I am currently on my vacation. It's like a 10 days vacation for 3 days in Mandarin Oriental, New York. It's complimentary from the place that I work. So today is like basically the first full day. We slept here last night. We got here 1 o'clock. And yeah, we checked in at 3. So yeah, it's been good so far. I'm gonna show you the tour of how the room. Okay, so this is the view from the room. This is the mirror. TV. This is like what, 56-inch, 55-inch TV. Work decks. What do you call this? Whatever that is. Closet. Bathroom. Me. Me again. And the tour of the city. So yeah, so if you want to see more, stay tuned and don't you forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on those notifications so that whenever I release a new video, you can be the first to know. You're probably saying, oh, why am I put up my hair? It's so tight and I just can't bother. Well, I'm naturally, you know. So I had this long ponytail and I just can't bother. Yeah, so that's why. I forgot to bring a comb. I asked for this thing here, so maybe I just leave here, but around here is just tight. So that's that. Yeah, so we're gonna go on a city tour. I don't know where yet, but I'm gonna take you along. So yeah, stay tuned. I like this life, the soft life, waking up in a hotel, having room service, having someone cleaning after you. So nice, this is a life. I must say that this hotel looks better than the one in Miami, but there are some things that's better in Miami, but for the most part, things here is better. The view in Miami is better. We're not on the beach here. You're just seeing the city and it's not like great. The one in Miami is greater. So we'll blow me here and it's gonna be a great disaster if I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Oh boy. The reason why I do my hair like this is because I wanna braid it either in New York. That's why I didn't braid my hair, because I want to get it professionally done. And you know, so I always do my hair, so that's that. Well, I can't wait till I go and view the city. It is very cold. We're here for vacation, that's what we're gonna do. Now I have to decide on a hairstyle, what I'm gonna do to go on the road. I don't know why I plug me, you know, like look it up on me, you know, but you just like that, and it was so tight, I couldn't manage it. So I'm just gonna wash it because it kind of stiff right here. So I'm gonna wash it and use the shower, the rain shower, something on top. The shower and then just catch it up or something. Alright guys, so this is the fit. I have my long brown jacket. So I'm basically have on turkey neck. I have on a thermal suit underneath because it's very cold. Jeans and my white sneakers. Yeah. So that's the fit. And then the jacket over it. So when I put on the jacket, I'm gonna get no, but you know, it's kinda hot now. I try to find my white belt, but I cannot find it because I want the white belt to match the shoes. Yeah, so this is the hairstyle, this is everything. Listen. Anyway, so that's that. So we're going to Queens. We're going to look for some people. I'm going to see if we can find some Jamaican restaurant. And we did plan to go Times Square and all those stuff today, so let's see. Yeah, so outside look very bleaky. If you can look, it's 10 o'clock. So it's 10 o'clock and it's looking just like this. So yeah, that's the order of the day. Yeah, so if you look over here, that's Trump Towers, and next to Trump Hotel where Trump actually stay. Yeah, right there. So Times Square is just like maybe 10 minutes away. Yeah, so that's the order of the day. Yeah, the place is very messy and we're gonna leave it for room service. Not really messy, but it needs to be tidy up. I want to look for my belt. I don't know where it is, maybe in the car or something. But we're gonna do that and put on the jacket and then show you the full foot. Okay? So I'll catch you back in the next clip. This is perfect. Morning. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Not to the line, will look rich, very rich. It's like you take a back road.
That can be done on highway traffic free up. Long Island Expressway.
Oh. We never come on that bridge here. We didn't come on that bridge here. It's on the long. It's not no.
Just kind of
because it's too low. You want to have camera. Over there so we didn't come.
What's up?
You know, go up in that building. Yeah, it wouldn't even make no sense to go up on the entire building because it's too foggy now. So you still gotta work for you. Because if we go up there and we wouldn't see nothing, let's waste some money.
About it.
Well, you can't carry and go still because we're not going.
No, can't carry that piece and
and you know, go up on the helicopter, no make no sense to them either.
You never got going in the first place, so you won't make sense out of that.
But if we pay for the helicopter, I pay for two. So you're going, no, we cannot pay for one, we can pay for two.
Pay for one.
We put it up with money, though. Hey, yeah, make me go back with more money.
Yeah, man. Yeah, go back and see a bit.
Imagine. What you tell me money if you have fun that New York and save it money to go back? Hey, one thing now, please just
chuck up.
Yeah, chuck up. It's like I said, move over a little bit, but we drop one building right as well. You don't know how they cut the road.
All them are
somebody just links on ties down there. No man.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying again.
I understand it's not comfortable, but that's what you get for buying coach. Are you going over comfort or looks? Well, at least the boxes match. You want blue boxes. Next bus is down. So look on the sound here.
Take the next ride onto Warner Road, then your destination will be on the right.
You got it. What BMW?
I think. Paris in Paris. Where did it come? This side, this side. Are you excited? So we're going on the Roosevelt Island. Me and my cousin. I haven't seen her for years, but yeah, that's the plan for the day.
Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop.
You understand? No, I don't understand. You understand? Stand? No, wait, until you get out. You ready? See, you can still see it's good. Right? You just cannot see that way, but when we're coming back. If you see who? I can't see you can stand.
Stay in the moment, stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment, give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one.
timing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we can jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Wait up. Wait up. Why you texting? You still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn to morning dew. Then you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my.
We're trying to find Empire State Building, but we don't know how to get in. This one, right in there. enter here? Maybe? Yeah. This one. Yeah. Okay, go in there.
Anyone on the bus? Anyone going to Statue of Liberty or 9/11?
Woo. Woo. Finally, some warmth. This is the exit. And we're going to the entrance. So we're now back in the cold. Oh. Woo. Yes. Entrance down. Thank you. Woo. Straight down. You wanna go to Chipotle? That's what you like?
I never went there before. I want to try one of the bowls.
Okay. Woo. In New York.
No one knows my places.
Around the corner, the second stairs.
It's the first years?
You can take a picture right there. You want to take one right there?
No.
Yes. Yes. I'm going to take it so you don't have to. Right. What's this? Do we look through it?
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting.
So we're in the middle of the Empire State Building, the museum. My cousin and I, Paris. We're not high, no, we're on the ground floor. We're going to go up to in a minute. But it's a good look to see history. There's a man, they're having a decent convo. That's how they build it.
I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late.
So let's have a talk. Okay? So how was it like back in your time? Is the time good? Ready again?
I don't know why it's so damn hard being there for each other and showing you my true colors. Yeah, I don't know why it's difficult. I'm trying to make amends, but it doesn't seem to help. No, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out.
Just give you the illusion of you being in an elevator.
Where's the bottom floor?
Maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe. too late. Maybe it's too late.
To the 200 and...
Yes.
Okay.
Going right.
This is gonna feel.
Are you ready for this? Are you?
To the right, to the right.
To the left, to the left.
Righty.
Okay. This building, and you get to see it built. Keep your arms and legs inside and keep your eyes open. See those hot rivets fly through the air? Nice catch, Lou! Get those planks out of the way, huh? Oh, hey, watch it! We're coming up here!
Yeah, we're coming up.
Hey, Bucky, you gonna ride that thing all day? Do something useful, will ya? All right, we're coming up to the 80th floor. You're headed to the top of the Empire State Building, right here in the heart of New York City.
Welcome to the 80th floor. Step out this way.
Yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know.
Central Park. This is nice.
My phone is dying.
Yeah, picture is nice, right?
Definitely dying. Look at the rest of the like.
Just one moment, okay? Going down this way. And here you go. You're going up to 86.
86.
86 is the next stop.
86. From 80 to 86. Oh, we can go outside. We can go outside. How do they go outside? How do they go outside? Ooh.
It's so good up here.
It's closer to the sun, it should be warmer. Ooh. Yeah, outside. We're outside. Oh, that's why it's so warm, because those things are there. That the heaters. We're on top of the Empire Building. Where are you going? That's going back in. You have to go here. Go, hurry! I need to go inside. I'm not doing this inside.
Here we go.
200 feet.
Oh my God.
200 feet. Oh. Wow.
I'm scared of heights. This is ironic, right?
Me too.
I don't know why I came up here.
We're gonna face our fears. Oh my God. This is there higher?
Is there a higher?
I don't know. Can we go higher? Wow. We are far.
I can almost see the cloud.
My bad.
Like you know. How did it reach up here so quick?
The elevator is fast. If we were walking, we'd never reach.
It's very different.
So nice.
This is which floor is this one?
106.
So this is the last floor, right? Okay. Thank you. Huh?
It's a huge lake over there.
Look, there's a lot of people over there. On that building there.
What that building called?
There's a lot of people in there. And they're looking out to look. You see? Look. 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 You see them?
Taking pictures.
Done?
They're higher?
No, this is the last one. You're not?
Going down?
Yeah.
This is gonna feel weird going down.
Are you ready for this?
So this is the highest it goes.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed the view.
Sortez à gauche. 请向左边出口离开。
We have one more elevator, right? Nope. No, we don't. This is the last one. This is the only one.
This is a long ride.
Gracias. Dankeschön. Merci.
Merci.
Kamsahamnida. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias is English, right?
Thank you, yeah. All of them is thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you.
Better do. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. always jump to? Do I really want you when you know that I do? You so scared of real love, 'cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run, jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, 'cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. You think I care about money when I just helped you get ready for your interview? You think I like your body when I just caught close that I knew it looked good on you? Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset, 'cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as it gets. But you're so scared of real love, 'cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run, jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you